Hey guys, it's Kim George here from Your Chic Geek, and I want to welcome you to a brand spanking new video. Hope everybody's doing well. So let's go ahead and let's dive into actually, before we dive into the video, I first want to ask you guys, if you don't mind, to like, share, subscribe, comment, all of the good stuff. It definitely helps the videos get pushed into the YouTube algorithm. And then also, for those of you that are interested in learning how to build a brand and a product line of low content books, basically a little bitty mini empire, I have released a course which is called From Publish to Profit. So if you're interested in learning more about that, there is going to be a link below. And then also I have some freebies as well. One is a swipe file with over 200 low content types of books that you can publish and make money from on Amazon, and then also a free masterclass that you can attend to learn the framework that I use for publishing and making over 1K per month with low content books. Now, I want to dive off into this video. Today's video is going to be fairly quick, and this actually comes from a question that I received on yesterday when I polled you guys to ask you, what would you be interested in seeing more on this channel? And so one of the questions that came up was actually pretty interesting, and it was about scaling ads. That's right, scaling KDP ads. So what I wanted to talk about was really quickly 3 things that you can do to scale your ads. Now, I have to preface with going into this with saying this. If you have crappy books, or if you have books that, the covers aren't good, the interiors are not good, and you just haven't done any of the basics and gotten those things out of the way, which are really, really important to your book, then you definitely need to probably go back to the drawing board on that. Because if you're trying to run ads to a book that doesn't look good, it doesn't present well, and it's not really something that, someone could benefit from, then you're doing yourself a huge disservice. Again, you want to make sure that things are, your covers are good, that your interior is really, really good, and that you have something that you can be really, really proud to show off and showcase as you are marketing on Amazon before you even start investing money into ads. But if you have all of those things in place and you're ready to just get some more eyeballs to your books, then these are 3 things that you can do to scale. If you've already kind of been running ads, maybe you want to see if you can get even more eyeballs and things like that to your books. Here's what I would recommend doing. Number 1, and the easiest way to scale, is going to be to increase your budget. Now, spending more is just what it is, right? It's going to be definitely a way that you can scale your KDP ads. Now, here's what I would caveat and say. I would only recommend spending more in scaling an ad that has been proven to convert, meaning that ad has brought in some sales for you to a book. So I wouldn't scale anything that has not been proven to sell. You're just going to be wasting money. And so only do this for ads that are working and ads that are bringing you in sales already. It's just basically doubling down on that specific ad. Number 2 is going to be to run different ads, run different types of ad campaigns. This is something that you guys are probably going to have to get used to if you're running ads, and knowing that, there's not going to be a one-size-fits-all solution when you're running ads. Certain ads will convert better than others, but the thing that you want to remember is that when you're running ads, you do have to do a lot of testing. And so in this case, testing out different ads will be to your benefit. So there's all kinds of ads you can run. You can run product ads, you can run automatic ads, you can run manual ads, you can run automatic ads on down only, you can run automatic ads up and down, you can run automatic ads, I don't know. There's another setting that you can do. But this is the thing, is that ads require just a lot of testing, and especially if you're trying to scale, because like I said, there's not going to be a one size fits all. Maybe you start off with an automatic campaign that's on a down only. That's usually what I start with, and you start to see some results, and then maybe you can take the results and the data that you get from that ad and then start testing out other campaigns and different ads. So that is another way that you can scale your ad campaigns, all right, and scale your sales. And then the last thing that I'm going to recommend for scaling your scaling with KDP ads is going to be running ads in different marketplaces. I think this is something that people forget. You know, Amazon has plenty of other marketplaces that you can test out and run ads to. And so just something else to remember. I mean, you know, they have the US, they have the UK, they have Canada, they have Australia. They have so many other marketplaces that you can run ads to. And so what I would do is just encourage you guys to, you know, scale and think about running ads into those different marketplaces to get more eyeballs to your books as well. So again, I didn't want this video to be that long, but I did at least want to pop in and just try to answer that question and give you guys some things to think about as it relates to running ad campaigns and then scaling scaling your KDP ads to get more eyeballs through these different strategies. Now, for those of you that may be interested still, Jenny Hansen Lane and I are going to be having a boot camp this week that we're really excited about. I've mentioned this previously, but you still can secure a spot if you're interested. And these are some of the things that we're going to be talking about, and we're going to be answering some of these kind of questions live. So for those of you that are interested, maybe again, you've been running ads, maybe they're not working, or you're interested in running ads and you want to learn different strategies maybe that you can do to get started with running ads for as little as $1 a day, we would love to have you on. So there's going to be a link below to learn more about the boot camp that is coming up, and that is going to take place this Wednesday, guys. So if you haven't secured a spot, there's still time. Again, you can head over, click the link below to check out the boot camp that is coming up. And this is going to be all about ads, my friends. So again, thanks to the subscriber that asked that question, because it's a really good question. And so I hope that these strategies will be helpful, and these are some things that you can definitely give a try to see what will work. But at the end of the day, running ads is all about testing. It's all about testing to see what works. Again, one thing may start off working and then may not work as well, and so you may have to pivot and use different strategies. And so again, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Please, again, thanks so much for watching, and please be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know which one of these strategies you're planning to try, and let me know what you've tried so far. Comment below. I'd love to know. All right, take care, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.